Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Another strict lockdown can be meaningful only with a plan to curb infections in Chennai. The Tamil Nadu government's decision to impose a complete lockdown in Chennai and parts of neighboring Chengalpattu, Kanchipuram, and Tiruvallur for 12 days from June 19 is a response to rising apprehension that the coronavirus pandemic has spun out of control. When such a measure was resorted to earlier for 4 days from April 26, the cumulative case in the state were 1821, but they have snowballed to just over 46,500 cases on June 15. Mortality has also risen in spite of many curbs from the earlier lockdown being retained during the Unlock 1 phase, such as the absence of bus transport. The AIADMK government has done well to learn some lessons from the previous full lockdown episode, which led to crowding for the purchase of essentials. It has allowed 3 days for the city and neighboring districts to prepare, yet, it is the preventable ballooning of cases that has necessitated a fresh lockdown now, highlighting the desultory approaches to infection prevention. With some determination and steps such as free distribution of masks, the public could have been nudged into healthy behavior. But such leadership was absent, and rising case numbers led to pressure for another strict lockdown, including from some retail traders. The state government appeared to be confused, initially denying any such plan and even informing the High Court to that effect. The national experience with a lockdown makes it clear that it is a blunt weapon useful only for a brief period and to support a clear plan of action. Some studies point to heightened impact of an activity freeze on the urban poor who have to cope with such pressures by liquidating their savings and may be worse off than their rural counterparts. In Chennai, the pressure due to the lockdown has been prolonged, although the state has tried to ameliorate the impact with free supply of essentials. It has now promised rupees 1000 to ration card holders and the disabled. But the effect of a full lockdown run deeper, and relief measures for the disadvantaged must be augmented. Now that some air and rail services are on, passengers with tickets must be helped to use these facilities. There is also a case to allow door delivery of all materials by e commerce sites, barring in containment zones. Tamil Nadu's latest measure seems to have got some sections of industry, such as the automotive sector, that depends on a stable supply chain by surprise. The economy today is complex, and a more transparent and consultative approach is necessary to plan for the future. During the full lockdown phase, the government must coerce to make up for lost time distribute masks to all, bring about compliance in mask wearing and physical distancing, help densely populated areas, and make testing universally available. Stop. Thank you.